Guys, in this video we will be discussing about Lemlist. Lemlist is an ideal tool for the business looking for email outreach, especially for lead generation, cold outreach, and nurturing your prospects. So let's install it. On the platform down below in the navigation bar, you can find for the app marketplace and you can search for Lemlist. Let's install. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts or you can choose them all. If you choose them all, it will be giving you the option to enable automatic feature installation as well from here. But at the moment, we will be choosing our specific sub account as location 1. Move forward and continue with that. Allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed now. Now moving back towards our agency level. Here we are, and now the next step is to install it and move forward towards our sub account level. We had done it on location 1. We are on our sub account level on which we have installed Lemlist. The next step is moving forward towards the app configuration. You can find it in the navigation bar from here, and you can find for Lemlist. We have to get it configured first. To do that, we have to need the API key. We will find the API key from our Lemlist account. You have to set up your Lemlist account, and from there in the settings you can find for the integration and head towards creating your own API key. Let me show you how to do that. Here we are in our Lemlist account, as I have already signed up with that, and let's find out for the settings. Not from here. Yeah. So you have to connect your CRM to Lemlist from here. Integrate your CRM, and from here you can just create your own API key from here. Name it create key, and now you can just copy paste this to get your Lemlist configured. Back on our sub account level, now let's do it. Copy paste, submit, and as you can see, it is successfully configured now. Now you can use the actions in your automations. Let's check on what value is being provided by Lemlist and what are the actions actually. You can find for the automations from here in the navigation bar, and you will be heading towards creating your own workflow from here. Start from scratch. We are in our workflow builder now, and let's check on what are the actions. This is Lemlist. The actions basically provided by Lemlist are just just figuring out according to the leads. You can just add leads, you can just get leads, you can mark leads interested in all campaigns, you can mark them not interested, you can pause the leads. So these are the actions you can use in and create your own workflows. I hope you like it. Thank you so much.